Regrouping Instruction. Hello, my name is Sarah. Thank you for joining me for this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to add two-digit numbers with regrouping. You will need a whiteboard, a piece of paper, or the handout available with this lesson, and something to write with. Let's get started. Let's begin by writing the numbers 1 to 9 with the touch points. Let's do this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Be sure to check that all of your numbers are written correctly and they all have the touch points on them. Well done. We are going to begin with a review of how to add two-digit numbers. Please copy this down. 43 plus 24. If you remember, when we add, we always line up the numbers. What that means is that any of the numbers in the same place value, so these are the ones and these are the tens, should always be right on top of each other. Let's add this up. With 3 plus 4, we'll circle the 4. We'll touch and count. 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, we'll circle the 4 again, and we'll touch and count. 4, 5, 6. So 43 plus 24 equals 67. In this problem, we did not regroup. Regroup is a fancy word for when we need to move a digit to a new place value. We're going to learn how to do that now. Regroup or regrouping. Let's see how it works. Let's copy this next problem down. 56 plus 48. If you have trouble lining up your numbers, you may always draw a line in between them to help you know what to add. Let's add this problem. We will always start with the ones place value, which is 6 and 8. This is the exact same as the previous problem. We'll circle the big number. We're going to circle the 8. We're going to touch the 8 and count on the 6. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Here is where regrouping comes in. We cannot write 14 down here. We can't do it because this is the ones place value. And if you remember, only one number can be in each place value. So we know that 6 plus 8 is 14. But we cannot write it underneath. Instead, we're going to move one of the numbers. We're going to take this 4 and put it down here. Then the 1, we're going to move over here. We're moving the 1 over to the tens place value. So we'll add the 1 up top. So we're going to now add 5 plus 4 plus the 1. Let's do that now. We'll circle the 5. We'll touch and count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our answer is 104. When you regroup, that means that if the ones adds up to a two-digit number, we move the other digit to the next column. Let's try another problem. Let's copy this problem down. 24 plus 54. If you need to, you may draw your line in between them. Let's go ahead and and add 4 plus 4. I'm going to circle the first 4, touch and count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a one-digit number, so I can put it down here. I do not have to regroup. Next, I'll circle the 5, touch and count. 5, 6, 7. Our answer is 78. I did not have to regroup because my answer in the ones column was a one-digit number. Let's do another one. Let's add 19 plus 34. Let's add this together. Here, we'll circle the 9 because it's the biggest number. Touch and count with me. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 has 2 digits, 1, 2. So I'll put the 3 at the bottom, and I'm going to put the 1 on top of the next column. Next, I'll add my tens. I'll circle the 3 because it's bigger. Touch and count. 3. I have to count this one. 4, 5. 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. My answer is 53. Be sure to check your work. Let's try another problem. Copy this down. 87 plus 69. Let's add this together. With 7 plus 9, we'll circle the big number, which is 9. Then we'll touch and count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is a two-digit number. So I'll put my 6 here, and I'll put my 1 on top of the next column. Let's count the tens. I'll circle the 8, touch and count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 156. If you counted 14, remember you have to add that 1 up top. Let's try another one. 38 plus 98. Let's add this together. With 8 and 8, I'll circle the first one and touch and count. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is a two-digit number. I'll put my 6 at the bottom, and I'll carry my 1. Let's add the next column. I'll circle the 9, touch and say 9, and then count. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 136. If you may have noticed, in this last column, our answer was a two-digit number, 1 and 3. There are no more numbers to add, so when you're in the last column, it does not matter if it's a two-digit number. You write the whole thing at the bottom. In this lesson, we learn how to add two-digit numbers with regrouping. Thank you for following along.